Right, man, that's what came in the mail. About to do the Switch 2 unboxing. I know it's been a while since I posted, but you know, it's time for something new. 2025, baby. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Ooh. That's how it look inside. Comes with a joystick. Switch 2 right there. Like the little things you put on the controller. HDMI cable. Guess this is the dock. Charger. Okay. Little Joy-Con thing where you put your Joy-Con on, make it a controller. Cable connect. And you switch to dock. It's not too bad. A little bit better than the original one. Got 2 controllers. This is the bundle with Mario Kart, so Mario World, sorry. So I have that, Sonic, Yakuza. I'll be doing some more videos showing y'all how the gameplay is. I'll set that up for y'all. But yeah, that's it, man. Switch 2. Let's get it.